Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will see how to redirect a www URL to a non-www with htaccess via cPanel. A www URL allows better cookie control, reducing HTTP requests and improving website performance. However, if you prefer a non-www URL, follow the steps mentioned in the video to set up a redirect using htaccess. Let's continue the video. First of all, log in to cPanel. Then, navigate to the File Manager under the Files section. Open the public_HTML folder, or the root folder where your website is stored. Find the .htaccess file, right-click on it, and choose the Edit option. If you cannot see the file, click Settings, top right corner, check Show Hidden Files, .files, and click the Save button. Insert the following code into the .htaccess file and save the changes. Understanding the code. First of one rewrite engine on dash, it will activate the rewrite function. The second one is rewrite cond %, http_host, $www $*NC-. It applies the rule how when the website is accessed with www. The third one is rewrite rule $*, $https://%1/$1 L R equals 301 dash. It redirects to the non-www version with a 301 permanent redirect. After then, click on the Save Changes button to save the changes. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to redirect a www URL to non-www with htaccess via cPanel. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumb up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.